Hi, I'm Lily. Today is Saturday, and I am visiting my grandma. Her name is Margaret, but everyone calls her Maggie. She is 72 years old, and she is very funny. She does not understand technology. She says strange things, and she believes many interesting ideas. But she is kind. She makes amazing cookies, and she always makes me laugh. Today, I will tell you about my visit. Let's begin. Saturday, no school. I eat a quick breakfast, toast and orange juice. Then, I get dressed. I wear comfortable clothes because Grandma's house is not simple. She has many things. Many things. Some things I think are older than me. My mom says,
"Take this cake to your grandma."
I take a chocolate cake in a big box. I also take a bag of apples. Grandma loves apples. She calls them nature's candy. I still don't understand that, but I always say, "Yes, Grandma." I take the bus. The ride is 20 minutes. At 10 o'clock, I arrive. I knock on the door. Grandma opens it and smiles widely.
Lily, my favorite granddaughter.
Grandma, I'm your only granddaughter.
Exactly. Easy choice.
I give her the cake. She looks at the box.
Oh, a hat box.
No, Grandma, it's a cake.
A cake in a hat box? Wow, fancy life.
I smile. It is only 10 in the morning, and Grandma is already funny. We sit in the living room. Grandma has a new tablet. She looks serious.
Lily, this tablet is broken.
I look at it. It is not broken. It is working perfectly. What's wrong?
I can't find the internet.
I look at the screen. There is Wi-Fi. Strong signal. Beautiful signal. Grandma, you have internet. See this symbol? She looks closely.
That looks like a pie chart.
What?
Yes. Is my internet pie?
I try not to laugh. No, Grandma, that is Wi-Fi. She nods slowly.
So, I have pie internet.
Yes, Grandma.
I like this.
New fact. My grandma now believes she lives in a world of pie internet. Then she says,
Yesterday, I tried to take a picture, but I saw a giant face.
"Whose face?"
My face.
Okay.
It was too big. Very scary. I almost said sorry to myself.
You were using the front camera, Grandma.
The camera has a front and a back?
Yes.
Technology is very dramatic.
I take the tablet. See? You tap this icon. It switches the camera.
Magic! You are a genius, Lily.
I only pressed one button, Grandma.
Still a genius.
Then she asks,
What is no cap? Is it about hats?
"Where did you hear that?"
The mailman.
Oh, okay. It means no lie, Grandma. It's not about hats.
So, not about hats?
No. She looks disappointed.
I have many caps. I was ready to wear them. Modern life is confusing. First pie internet, now hat lies.
I nod. Yes, Grandma. Very confusing. At 11 o'clock, Grandma says,
Are you hungry? Let's cook.
We go to the kitchen. It is full of jars, books, and mystery objects. What should we make?
Sandwiches and soup and cookies. You are growing. You need food.
Grandma, I'm 16. I stopped growing.
You are still growing.
I'm not.
You are growing in spirit. Now, help me find the bread.
We look for bread. It is not in the bread box. It is not on the counter. Finally,
Aha! The bread was cold.
Grandma, why is the bread in the fridge?
It looked lonely in the bread box. I gave it a friend, the butter.
I shake my head. Grandma's logic is special. We make sandwiches. Cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, ham, and peanut butter? Grandma, peanut butter on a sandwich with ham?
It's called fusion cooking, Lily. Look it up.
I look at the sandwich. It looks illegal. I don't think that's real.
Everything is real, if you believe.
I am not ready for this philosophy. We also make tomato soup. She adds salt, then pepper. Then she says,
It needs love.
Is love an ingredient?
The most important one.
I nod. I cannot argue with this level of confidence. We eat lunch at the small kitchen table. The sandwich is huge. I eat half of my sandwich. Grandma watches me. She says,
Lily, eat more.
I'm trying. Look at this sandwich. It's bigger than my head.
Good. Big sandwiches make big brains.
I take another bite. It is really good, even with the peanut butter. I do not tell her that. After lunch, we sit in the living room. She looks at me, seriously.
Lily, life is like a garden. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes it's sunny. Sometimes a bird attacks your favorite flower.
Attacks?
Yes, with poop. But you keep gardening.
I blink. Then I nod slowly. This is strange, but also wise. Grandma's advice is weird, but it makes sense in a grandma way. Then she asks about school.
How is high school? Do you have a boyfriend? Are you studying hard? What's your favorite subject?
Grandma, one question at a time.
Okay. What's your favorite subject?
I say English. She says,
English is good. You can write letters. Real letters, not emails. Emails are too fast. Letters have soul and stamps. A letter without a stamp is just paper crying to be sent.
I laugh. Grandma sees the world differently. It is funny and sweet. At 2 o'clock, we look at old photos. There is a photo of Grandma when she was young. Grandma at 20. She looks cool.
I was wild. I danced all night. I ate pizza for breakfast. I once tried to dye my hair blue with ink.
Did it work?
No, I looked like a sad blueberry.
Grandma, you're so funny. At 3 o'clock, I have to go home. Grandma hugs me. She smells like cookies and tea.
Take these cookies. Eat them all.
I smile. I wave, then I walk to the bus stop. On the bus, I eat 1 cookie, then 2, then 3. Then I stop counting. I think about Grandma. She is kind and funny. She doesn't understand technology, but she understands life. She makes mistakes, but she laughs. Maybe one day I will also have pie internet and make strange sandwiches and give weird, beautiful advice. The bus is quiet, but I am smiling the whole way home.